Morning traders, it's Paul here from Strobot Ultimate, going to talk about stocks and trading with indexes and stocks and things like that. So I'll show you how you set it up, because you have to have custom lot sizes. Now, this is a live account, but I've only got two charts open because I want to show you how it works and keep things as clear as possible. So on this chart, I've got StrobotTrader running. You can see it's running up there, and StrobotTrader listens to signals from these charts. So there, for instance, it would see a buy signal. That would send a message to StrobotTrader. StrobotTrader would then evaluate if the target is close enough, if the risk reward is, if there's enough risk reward in it for us, if we can make money out of it, if it's safe to trade, have we traded this, are we in another trade with the same currencies, all that sort of thing. But you can also trade other things like stocks, etc. And I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you need to do is take a note of this up here, minimum lot size. That there is very important. Okay, I've even highlighted it in green. Let's highlight it in white so you can actually see it. This there, that where it says minimum lot size, that's very important. We'll need that in just a moment. Okay, so let's say I want to trade a stock. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So I just go into the Market Watch. Where is it? Market Watch. Okay, I can choose anything I like. Let's try Google. Let's say I'm interested in trading Google. Open a chart window, and you'll notice it automatically loads up with the chart. You can see it's drawn everything on it. It looks a bit mad because it is a little bit mad. So it's probably not going to let me trade this. In fact, I have to tell you that the targets are not big enough to trade this. D1. Let's just do that. Let's just do a little measure. See what the targets look like for Google. So the target, 300, 400 pips. Yes, it is big enough. I'm talking rubbish. So there's certainly enough in it to trade. Going to be slower trades, but look here, minimum lot size is 1. So what I need to do, look at the symbol GOOG, go into StrobotTrader's settings, expert advisors, properties, and I've got 3 custom symbols too. So there's default lot size, custom lot size. Default lot size is 0.01. Okay, everything else, so custom lot size 1 I use for indexes, and then custom lot size 2 I use for currencies, for stocks. So what I'll do is put in GOOG in there. Okay, add a comma on the end. It will need a comma on the end. Okay, long story why that's the same. Hit OK. Now that means that if you look at Google, so lot size is 1. So if I go to my StrobotTrader, just double check that. Expert advisors properties. So for custom symbols 2, lot size is 1. Anything in there is going to trade with a lot size of 1. Anything in here is going to trade with a lot size of 0.1, and then everything else is going to be traded at 0.01. That's not the settings I have on the actual server. Okay, just before you think. Okay, but so it's really important to make sure they're set up right, and you can trade just about anything. Now, the only thing I will also say is to check if you're an existing user. This is a new feature, so check your settings to make sure that you haven't that your settings are right. You can see it's just reset back to the defaults, and then you'll be able to trade. So you can trade stocks, shares, whatever you like. Stocks, you can trade gold, Bitcoin. So for instance, if I wanted to trade cryptocurrency, because I've got a thing for Bitcoin. Same process. So go here, look through here. This is VantageFX. There's links on StrobotUltimate.com for VantageFX. Bitcoin. Up here somewhere. Where are you? BTC USD there is under my nose. So new chart window again, and yeah. So this is tradable with 0.01 lot size. That means I don't have to do anything. I just open the chart window and it will look to trade it. So I hope that's really helpful. StrobotUltimate.com is the website. That's the system. Stocks, indexes, anything you like, it will trade. Obviously, make sure that it makes sense and and the pair has got enough volatility and is going to move around. Obviously, the robot will actually not trade. The robot will not trade if the lot size is wrong, etc., etc., etc. So, StrobotUltimate.com. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.